Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. So let's open the camera. And as you can see, right here on the home screen of the camera, we've got modes like time-lapse, panorama, 64 megapixels, short video, portrait, photo mode and video mode. Let's start from the first one, which is video mode. So this camera is capable of 6x zoom in and 0.6x zoom out. Also in video mode we can turn on flashlight and adjust beautify mode. If you tap right here, you got access to grid lines, leveler, macro mode, and also you can change resolution. Now let's go to photo mode, and here we've got a bit more options like HDR, AI, filters, Google Lens, and also we can change aspect ratio, we can set timer between 3 seconds, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. Also enable grid lines, leveler, macro, and also we can turn on tilt shift. Now let's go to portrait mode. It's typical portrait mode with few settings to change. Like we can turn on studio lighting, enable AI, and focus in many places. Then we've got short video with super fast motion, regular motion, slow motion and super slow motion. Also we can add some music to our short video. Then we've got typical high resolution mode, 64 megapixels, and here we can only turn on timer, grid lines, straighten, and put some filters. Next we've got typical panorama and time-lapse. In more settings we've got night, slow motion with adjustable speed and resolution, and pro mode where we can change white balance, focus, shutter, ISO, EV and lens. Now let's go to the settings, where we can turn on watermark, change picture quality, change volume button functions between shutter, shutter countdown, zoom and volume, enable focus and shoot, customize our camera for feature layout, camera modes, colors of the camera, and sound of the shutter. Next we can enable or disable save location info, shutter sound, pocket mode, save previous mode, we can change anti-banding and check privacy policy or restore default settings. And that's all for camera modes and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.